My father did.
So parents are you know. Apart from there, you know, child for mommy to do Instagram.
But she can.
She can. Child traveler, na.
But she didn't even consider taking me, and why would she consider taking me?
Taking where?
Bringing me here, I had to come by cycle.
So what? Acha, she go, you're a small baby now. She's lifting.
Because I would skid because of water.
Rain. Due to rain. Oh, then this girl was somewhere. She did not go out again.
No.
Where do you stay? Which sector?
Sector 28 new. That's it.
How long it's from here?
15 minutes. By cycle.
What are we? Hello, what are we? Both are sitting together. Very nice. Sorry, sir. You coming here, Anand coming here first. Huh? You come. You go behind. And you come here. Yeah. Not studying now. Identity study. You didn't get the identity. Did you ask anyone? Wait now. Did you ask anyone identity? Did you ask anyone give the identity? You told her to give it to you. No? Hello?
Chapter में है तो ये
Don't tell all these stories, okay? Next class I will ask you. You know all the identities now? No plus minus mistake?
this time I don't know.
You have to write or you have to tell?
I'll write.
So whether you write on the board? Right? Why you book and board, what difference is there?
Book.
Right, what is AQ plus BQ?
AQ plus BQ.
Sit down all of you. Anand, come here. You have not learned the identity till now. Did you learn the identity? Anand, full. Never, till now I know.
Sir.
One more identity plus BQ. That is correct.
One more.
Okay. Tarisha, this fellow, you know who is this? What is his name? Anand. He will, you say, remind me. He will learn all identity as well.
Sir. Right? What if I forget?
Huh? You forget me, you get punishment.
That's why you tell her.
No, you remember.
Aris sir, please.
Aris sir, क्या?
Sir.
No, let her remember, na?
No, sir. I'll make her remember. तो याद है.
If he doesn't study, means I will make you to say what?
मेरे को क्या करना?
And you will call his mommy.
No. Sir करता.
Kapta, this I know.
नहीं सर उसके पर नहीं है मेरे को तो दे लो. उसकी गलती.
Yours is going on through my, okay? Sit down, all of you.
Sir, इसको ना presentation.
Sir,
यार छुट्टी लग रही है.
क्या हो गया? What happened?
Sir, she's the only one who's feeling hot right now. And even him. These two.
Everyone is feeling cold only.
No, not everyone. These two.
That is enough.
By one side, make it 25 on 26.
It's better. To have him be schooled. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Last class we discussed about all the things, you know, coordinate geometry, basic things are discussed. Yes or no?
Yes.
By the way, plot.
So that was MEP. Yes.
I asked you to do some homework.
Yes.
What was the homework?
Multiple choice questions and case till case study based questions. I don't remember case study based questions. Assessment based and.
Assertion is done.
No sir. I did till case studies. जितना मेरे को आता है. 1-2 questions I have left.
Activity done. Sorry, assertion reason done.
Yes. No, I have.
You are not done assertion reason. What did you do, Anand? What homework he had done? Anand, huh? His case is always this way only. Every time he does the same thing. Yeah. I'm noticing now. Homework doesn't do, and he come with an excuse. This book, that book, all the stories will come to. Ruko, so. So, this is not one time. Every day same thing goes. All of you know how to plot the points?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Pakka?
Yes, sir.
Graph is there, all of you?
No. And then
What should I do?
Charity.
Huh?
Sir, I will
Charity.
We'll give him afterwards.
Now listen. You brought the graph?
Yes, sir.
No. Where is your wallet?
Wallet?
First, nothing there. Money is there. Huh?
In my room.
In my home. You have now?
No.
No.
No, but I can.
You can have money?
Online, sir.
Online. So go and buy the graph paper is there. Come.
Graph paper or graph book?
Graph book.
How much?
Give it five graph books for everyone. And charge from them.
So paper is fine, a book at home.
That's me.
Such me. 60 rupees for one group. 6 paisa,
Book
300
नहीं,
rupees.
paper लेकर. So we have book at home.
Paper
Paper.
Hello? Now look here. This is final.
Sir, जाओगे नहीं
I am
जाओगे?
not required now. Next class, if it is not brought, only he brought the graph. He did not do study formula, homework not done, but he brought the graph.
Yes.
क्या? बोल.
Sir, attendance was, sir. I think.
Sir, we can bring in this class.
No. Now, if not brought next time, I will send everyone out.
Okay.
And called one by one, parents will be called out. That time not done. Okay. So, do one thing. Take out the opening and on Facebook. Volume.
Volume भी,
Volume is taken.
yes.
Take page number 41.
41. 41.
Taken 41.
Yes.
Introduction, have you seen?
Yes.
Quickly start reading, Sarisha.
We have already learned how to locate a point on a real number line and also to find the position of a point on the number line. In this chapter, we shall study to
Wait now. This man, what is he doing?
41.
Ah,
41.
okay. I will end with you and I'll ask some of you to read and explain. Okay, time pass is not going. Okay, continue.
In this chapter, we shall study to locate a point on a plane and to find the position of a point on the plane. Consider a rectangular garden ABCD. We have to find out the position of a mango tree P of this garden. If this tree is 4 meters from the AB boundary, but this formation is not enough to identify the position of the tree. After knowing this distance from AB
Read properly, loudly, no? She's sleeping out.
that is 7 meters, we can find our exact position of mango tree. In the city, there is a main road running east to west direction.
So first is mango tree to find out what all values you need. 2 values is required, isn't it?
Yes.
From the length and from the breadth, we need 2 values, distances. Not 1 value, 2 values is required. Okay. The city.
In the city, there is a main road running east to west direction and streets with numbering from west to east. On the street, house numbers are marked. A road knows that his uncle's house is on street number 3, but it is not easy to locate the house until the house number is known. When his uncle's house number 6 is known, then Arun can reach uncle's house by going in street number 3 and to the house number 6. So here it is required 2 pieces of information about the location of the house.
Okay. Followed all of you.
Yes.
So that means here also, so to locate any means indirectly they are telling us To locate anything, we need how many information?
Two.
Two informations. Yes or no? Not with one information, it is not enough.
Yes.
Okay. Continue, Anand will read.
Suppose we have to find out the position of a dot on the sheet of paper. The dot is 6 centimeter away from the left edge of the paper. It gives some idea about the position of dot, but this information does not give exact position of the dot. We can identify the position of dot only if we give the one more information, namely the dot is 10 centimeters from the bottom edge of the paper. So here two pieces of information are required.
So what are the two pieces of information you could run?
6
One
centimeter
is 6 centimeter from where?
left edge.
Left edge. Are you seeing? Where is the dot? Show me.
Here.
6 centimeter. All of you seeing now? Figure also is given. And from the bottom edge how much?
10.
10 centimeter. Okay. Then continue.
Shikha purchases a ticket for the movie Number Party. The position of her seat is written on the ticket by using two items of information. Row number 6 in which she sits. Number of seat is 8 in that row, bottom edge. The position of seat could be written 6, 8. First writing the row number and then the seat number. Razia also purchased a ticket for a movie Number 20 and the position of her seat can be written as 8, 6. The position of two seats are given by 6, 8 and 8, 6. These are different seats, so we can say 6, 8 is not equal to 8, 6.
Are you followed?
Yes.
See 6, 8 and 8, 6 are not the same thing.
No.
Okay, interchanging. Is also is clear now?
Yes.
Real, read, continue.
This means that the order of 6 and 8 is an important one 6 8. Therefore, 6 8 is an ordered pair. From the above examples, we observe that the position of any object lying in a plane can be represented with the help of two perpendicular lines. The simple idea has promoted the coordinate geometry. In this chapter, we will discuss the basic concepts of coordinate geometry. Note, the ordered pairs describe the position of a point in the plane neatly. 6 8 is not the same as 8 6.
I hope all of you followed this all.
Yes.
Normal, we have this is the common thing only, okay? Chalo. Next is first class work. Listen. Question 1.
How do you describe the position of a table lamp on a study table to another person?
You have to describe.
Here by left edge and bottom.
So you will all of you follow. Look here.
Yes.
You will write yourself, not now. Okay. This is your study table. Okay. Then you have to just draw a rectangle and show. Rectangle basically that
Like
is better.
this.
This is a rectangle. Just now
Like
point
that
is
garden
enough.
one.
Huh?
Like garden one.
A garden
Dot,
point,
dot,
dot one also.
Dot.
And you mark the point. This point. Okay. This is the point. Okay. This is the rectangle is made. And just decide where is your. Okay. This is your table lamp. Okay. Then mark how much distance. Okay, total length you will write this much, total breadth is how much. Okay, so you will write, and from here how many centimeter, how many centimeter?
So I have a doubt. So can't we just make that a left hand side line to the right side?
Then left and bottom you write. Better.
We can place it.
That is your wish. Okay. In your study table, my study table is here. Your study table is here means you mark. Why table is a rectangle? It's easy to explain. Okay, not follow. And this is your study table. Okay, you tell this length is how much? Okay, it's my study table length is equal to 100 centimeter. This is equal to 80 centimeter. Okay, this is which edge? Bottom edge. This is the which one?
Left edge.
Left edge. From here, this is the table now. How much distance? It should not be more than 100. So let's say if it is 70 centimeter.
I said.
The total is 100 now. So it will be smaller now. This is total is 80. So this length will be further. Okay, 50 centimeter. So my table lamp is T.
So you have to write that.
Then what? You have to describe it, you have to write. You have to draw a rectangle, you have to write it. Understood all of you? So you will do yourself?
Now.
Yes, not now at home. Homework is the what?
In graph book.
Array notebook. Okay, rectangle draw with a scale and pencil. Understood? Okay, you will start right. First is my, all of you will write. Don't copy from others. Simple thing. My rectangle is, let's say if you want to put ABCD, my study table is ABCD, whose length is this centimeter, this one. That you decide anything. My table lambda dot denote T, which is at a distance of how much centimeter.
It can be imagination.
No, that is yeah, that you imagine now. I know your house, there is no table lamp, that's why you imagine. No houses.
सर मैं घर का टेबल लैंप चेक कर ली थी
Huh? You want to check, you check, no problem. Okay? You have to explain only. You don't need to just explanation, that's all. Second question. Okay, Ria.
Street plan. A city has two main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. These two roads are along the north-south direction and east-west direction. All other streets of the city run parallel to these roads and are 200 meters apart. They are about 5 streets in each direction, using 1 centimeter is equal to 200 meters. Draw a model of the city on your notebook. Present the road streets by signal line. There are many cross streets in the model. A particular cross street is made by two streets, one running in the north-south direction and other in the east-west direction. Each cross street is referred to in the following manner. At the second street running.
So, are you followed? This also you have to make it. Okay? Rough figure.
Understand.
Crossroad, east west, and you know eastern?
No, sir.
Not so.
I didn't understand the question.
Read 2 times now.
read once
सर वो intersect हो गया.
Huh, intersect. Array, this is now which are the roads? Say, you know what is north, south, east, west, first you mark. Is what?
North,
west
east,
South.
south, east.
east
So, if it is north, west means, no, sorry, north, south means this way the line. East, west means this way the line.
horizontal
So, make, read accordingly and make. This is the city. And then line. Okay. Read a little imagination. Let's see whose imagination works, whose brain works.
No.
Don't know. At home. Or don't ask anyone. Mommy, help her east, west, one side, west, east. No. Try to do it yourself. Okay. Understood, Sarisha?
sir
No. That's it. Okay. Next.
Direction equals only.
I have just shown only now. You to know it.
नहीं क्योंकि हमारी स्कूल के नाम ने बोला है ऐसे.
Huh.
इसके बुक में क्वेश्चन है
East west means that way you have to draw horizontal and vertical. Okay, that's all. No direction, no
सर ये
anything.
वाला करके
Okay, chalo. Next is question. After that, continue. Tanishka.
मैं
Read.
partition system
Cartesian system. Listen.
sir can you do this question
Which is question?
second
Second one you try to do. If not getting, I will explain. Okay.
Sir, I want to inform something about number system.
Uh,
Number system, our teacher was making us do something root x also, which was not in the UT book.
root x. What is the value of x?
It was no value of x. It was similar to that of doing the point one, but there were a few more additions to it.
You bring the question. Okay. Yeah. Continue reading.
You have studied the number line in the chapter on number system. On the number line, distance from a fixed point are marked in equal units positively, in one direction negatively in the other. The point from which the distance are marked is called the origin. We use the number line to represent the number by marking points on a line at equal distance. If 1 unit distance represents the number 1, then 3 unit distance represents the number 3. 0 being at the origin. The point in the positive direction at a distance r from the origin represent the number r. The point in the negative direction at a distance r from the origin represent the number minus r. Locations of different numbers on the number lines are shown in the figure.
This is about the number line. Okay. Are you followed? Number line is clear now. We have done number line already. I don't need to explain. The next thing we all are going to read, I have already explained. You are going to read it and you will Listen carefully. Real?
Yes.
Read.
The Cartesian plane or the coordinate plane or the XY plane.
What three names are given? What are three names?
Cartesian plane, coordinate plane and XY plane.
What do you mean of Cartesian plane or coordinate plane or XY plane?
Uh,
The plane which contains. Last class I discussed. I all forgot.
Positive and negative.
Positive and negative.
Axis one.
A plane which contains the X.
X-axis and Y-axis.
Plane which contains the X-axis and Y-axis is called the Cartesian plane.
So we are already
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Chalo, continue reading.
When we choose these two lines to
Yeah, wait 1 minute. He said something. Abscissa and ordinate. What is abscissa?
X-axis.
It is not X-axis.
X.
X coordinate. नहीं, X coordinate and
मैंने
X.
X बोला बस.
अरे यार, what is abscissa
X coordinate.
and what is X-axis? Is it same as X coordinate?
No.
नहीं ना. What do you mean by X-axis? It is a line.
Yes.
X coordinate means a value number. Is understood the difference?
Yes.
Okay, I'll continue reading.
When we choose these two lines to locate a point in a plane, in this chapter, one line will be horizontal and the other will be vertical, as in figure. These lines are actually obtained as take two number lines, calling them x and x dash and y dash. Place x and x dash horizontal as in figure and write the numbers on it just as written on the number line. We do the same thing with y and y dash, except that y dash is vertical, not horizontal. See, combine both the lines in such a way that the two lines cross each other at their zeros or origins figure. The horizontal line x dash is called the x-axis and the vertical line y dash is called the y-axis.
Then what is Y dash?
Negative.
Why that? Below negative side dash you could know.
The point where x dash and y dash cross is called the origin and is denoted by O. Since the positive numbers lie on the direction OX and OY, OX and OY are called the positive directions of the x-axis and the y-axis respectively. Similarly, OX dash and OY dash are called the negative directions of the x-axis and the y-axis respectively. We call the plane the Cartesian plane or the coordinate plane or the XY plane. The axes are called the coordinate axis.
Are you following? Coordinate plane, coordinate axis. What do you mean by coordinate plane? Sarisha, what do you mean by coordinate plane?
The XY plane.
XY plane. What? Diya, what do you mean by coordinate axis?
XY axis.
X-axis and Y-axis are called coordinate axis. Plural is AXES. Singular is axis. AXIS. Okay, understood. Have you followed? Coordinate axis. Okay. So, right? Okay, continue.
Quadrant. The axis divide the plane into four parts. These four parts are called quadrants. So the plane consists of axis and quadrant. The plane is called the Cartesian plane or the coordinate plane or the XY plane. These axes are called the coordinate axis. A quadrant is 1/4 part of a plane divided by coordinate axis. XOY is called the first quadrant, YOX dash the second, X dash OY dash the third, Y dash OX the fourth as marked in the figure.
Have you followed all of you?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, Diya, continue.
Coordinate of point. Consider the following diagram where the axes are drawn on the graph paper. Let us see the distance of the point P and Q from the axis. For this, we draw perpendicular PN on the x-axis and PN on the y-axis. Similarly, we draw perpendicular QR and QS as shown in the figure. You find that the perpendicular distance of the point P from the x-axis measured along the positive direction on the x-axis is Pn is equal to ON 4 inches. The perpendicular distance of the point P from the x-axis measured along the positive direction of the y-axis is Pn is equal to ON is equal to 3 units. The perpendicular distance of the point Q from y-axis measured along the negative direction of The x-axis is OR is equal to SQ is equal to 6 units. The perpendicular distance of the point Q from the x-axis measured along the negative direction of y-axis is OS is equal to RQ is equal to 2 units. We write the coordinates of the point using the following convention. The x-coordinate of a point is in the perpendicular distance of the y-axis measured along the x-axis. Positive along the positive direction of the x-axis and negative along the negative direction of the x-axis. For the point P, it is plus 4 and for Q, it is minus 6. The x-coordinate is also called the axis. The y-coordinate of a point is its perpendicular distance from the x-axis measured along the y-axis, positive along the positive direction of the y-axis and negative along the negative direction of the y-axis. For the point P, it is plus 3 and for Q, it is minus 2. The y-coordinate is also called the ordinate. In stating the coordinates of a point in the coordinate plane, the x-coordinate comes first and the y-coordinate. We place the coordinates in the brackets. Hence, the coordinates of P are 4, 3, and the coordinates of Q are minus 2 and minus 6 and minus 4. Note that the coordinates describe a point in the plane uniquely.
What?
The last line. Uniquely.
Uniquely.
3 and 3, 4 is not the same as 4 and 3.
Okay, point is unique. Unique means only one way. Understood? Unique way. So, point, coordinate of the point, all of you follow?
Yes.
Yes or no? Sarisha, what is the next thing is written?
Origin.
Hmm.
It is the point O of intersection of the axis of coordinates plus zero distance from both the axes, so that this axis and coordinate are both zero. Therefore, the ordinates of the origin are 0, 0. Ordinate of a point on the axis. This is the another topic.
This is just
Coordinate of a point.
Since every point of the x-axis has no distance, zero distance of the x-axis, therefore the y-coordinate of every point lying on the x-axis is always zero. Thus, the coordinates of any point on the x-axis are of the form x, 0, where x is the distance from the point from the y-axis. Similarly, the coordinates of any point on the y-axis are of the form 0, y, where y is the distance of the point from the x-axis.
We have discussed all these things now.
Yes.
X-axis, point, y-axis. Okay, Anand read.
Rules for strengths of coordinates. If a point is in the first coordinate, then the point will be in the form plus bracket plus
Plus.
comma plus. Since the first coordinate is enclosed by the positive x-axis and the positive y-axis. If the point is in the second quadrant, then the point will be in the form minus plus. Since the second quadrant is enclosed by the negative x-axis and the positive y-axis.
Okay, continue first.
If a point is in the third quadrant, then the point will be in the form
Minus.
Since the third quadrant is enclosed by the negative x-axis and the y-axis. If a point is in the fourth quadrant, then the point will be in the form plus minus. Since the fourth quadrant is enclosed by the positive x-axis and negative y-axis.
Very good. Okay, so all four things you know now?
Yes.
Okay, so there is a solved exercises there.
No.
After that, there is an unsolved exercise there. Yes or no? So they all of you start take the unsolved exercise and do it.
No.
Yes.
Which explains.
3.2.
I solved and solved.
सॉल्व तो लिखेगा सॉल्व तू तो सॉल्व करेगा
All of you do. I don't think I need to explain anything. Quick.
Change that.
Hmm.
So we have to do all questions, right?
Yes.
Easy. Sir, how do you determine which number to take first?
Extra बोलना है ना
X
तो
Y बोला
X.
है. Like से निकल X का number से Y का number X Y. M क्या है? M वो लेकर पॉइंट के ऊपर लगाना है उनका पॉइंट क्या है x का
And
क्या
it's very difficult to find
पहले
out.
x का क्या है और y का क्या है यहाँ पे देखा the point identify the coordinates minus minus m का कोई रोल नहीं है
है ना.
हाँ लिखना है
अरे N ही आंसर उसका
n हाँ
N
n
ही.
ही आंसर है
Let me take it.
she's not इसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्वेश्चन हाँ
Sarisha, bring your notebook here.
चलो ठीक है हाँ हाँ
What is it? Is the only one. X, Y axis, X axis, Y axis written in small letter or capital letter?
small
Small letter. I made you people to read now. X axis, Y axis written in small letter or capital letters?
capital it's not small
No. Next is what is your doubt?
this minus and minus for the
Minus 3 and minus
they
3.
intercepted either
So that is the point E. So
they are saying m is
you write now. Okay. Point identified by the coordinate. You write then after that. They are talking about this one. Okay. So complete first. Why there is a confusion you are asking?
so I have a doubt
Done.
so it's written right on axis and ordinate
Hmm.
so whose axis and ordinate in this question
T.
And
सर सबका आंसर एक ही होगा.
सबका
सही
Then
नहीं होगा.
what?
सर सबका सेम है
Of
ना.
the point P. For P, what is that? Is a ordinate. Coordinates. Okay.
सर सबका सेम है ना.
How? Different point, different things.
ये
Huh?
ना ध्यान से देख
सर तो हमें is equal to 8 ऐसे लिखना पड़ेगा
Hmm?
इन वालों ने मेंशन करना पड़ेगा
सर
P is
abscissa,
abscissa, P is ordinate.
first and second.
First you do it, after that
खत्म तो
everything.
करने दे फिर होते हो ना
सर क्वेश्चन 3 के फर्स्ट का क्या था?
सर अभी मन बताओ
सर एक बार
First
बताओ।
complete, if you
सर
don't know,
प्लीज सर
you.
प्लीज।
Arey, I am telling you now, after that.
सर
Hmm.
this is five and is down on the floor
Hmm.
and last one is a number so
That use your brain and see. Nothing is given.
five is given
And 2 is given. Which point you will find out?
the abscissa of
Point P. So P you check now.
फिर वो फिर सेकंड में। डिटरमिनेंट तो क्या होता है?
Hmm.
सर
Fine.
no
इसका
अभी तो बोला PQRS सुनता नहीं हूँ इसलिए नहीं आता। सर वो दीपेश वाली लड़की का ही
Hello, you don't need to do it anything. Switch off now. Make it silent. Hello?
साइलेंट कर
No, silent, that is why it was ringing, no?
सर नॉट डेड
चलो हो भी गया।
हो गया सर नहीं नहीं सो हाँ शायद तो होगा किसी से
पूरा करना।
you're not understanding
Done, classwork is done. All of you.
sir just a minute you understand
You can do the
fourth
homework.
one.
Fourth one you are not followed. What is it? Abscissa ordinate. What is the problem?
Done sir यहाँ पे थर्ड वाले क्वेश्चन में सेंटीमीटर या सिर्फ नंबर लिखना
Centimeter.
कुछ लिखना नहीं है ना और इसका मिनट वगैरह
अच्छा
This question, abscissa. So what is abscissa P? Coordinate of P. Coordinate of P.
and the answer is pure
Arey, abscissa means the value of P. Do you know what is the abscissa? So what is the x coordinate of P? 4 and 3. It is in which quadrant? Third quadrant is both are positive.
yes no it's positive
Both third quadrant both are positive. So your this is not.
I wanted to ask it's not it's minus and plus
This one I will throw it out.
sir
Where is first just now last class also we said this class also we did.
sir homework
Which is the first quadrant?
is
When first quadrant what is the property? Sign
it's plus
plus. Then which is second quadrant?
this
Then what is the property?
minus and plus
Third quadrant.
minus one
So then how we are telling plus?
minus one sir is
Now over all of you
homework
completed.
homework
Now listen. Let's discuss now. First one.
it is homework says homework
Homework exercise now classwork. Let's discuss now.
is it homework or not
Homework is the homework na. Okay. Here, Tanisha. Write the answer of each of the following questions. What are the names of horizontal and vertical
X and
axis?
y axis quadrant origin She said all the three answers.
I asked you the first question.
X and Y axis.
X and Y axis. Diya,
Six or other order.
what is the second? Arey, listen now. Oh, hero, listen to the answers. First question, second part. What is the name of the each part of the plane? Formed by quadrant. Did you write? He has made mistake.
Because he checked the volume.
And first
What is
question,
it?
real,
Ordinate.
you do your work. Listen, Tanish,
Yes, sir.
do you know what we are doing now?
Yes, sir.
Which one?
3.2.
First question.
Yes, sir.
Second answer, what did you write?
What is the name?
Axis now. Coordinates.
Hello?
Ordinate.
Why you talking? Nobody told, no discussions.
Ordinate.
Coordinate.
Ah,
Read the second part.
what is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines?
Coordinate.
No, ordinate.
Ordinate.
8 seconds.
Quadrant. So write, cancel and write it. Quadrant. Did you write? So that is why answer is listen. Third part, real. What is the name of the each one?
Origin.
Origin. Did you write origin?
Yes.
Okay. Second question. See the figure and give the following. Tanish. Coordinate of P.
and 2.
Huh?
Minus 5 and 2.
Minus 5 comma 2. All of you written correct.
Yes.
Next one. C. This one. Anand.
5 minus
5 minus 5. Then Sarisha. The point identified. E. All of you got it.
1. Yes, sir.
Next. This girl. Diya. 2 comma minus 4. Huh? Huh?
Sir, minus 5.
What are you telling?
Oh, sir.
Sir, in third, can we write ME?
Wrong.
G.
G.
Sir, in third, can we write ME?
No ME, only E. Understood or not?
Yes.
Okay. Then next, real. Axis are point D. 6. Correct or not?
Yes.
Okay.
Fourth answer क्या है?
Fourth one is one G. Sixth one, Tanish,
Yes, sir.
answer.
Minus 3.
Yeah, coordinate of H is minus 3. Okay. And then
0, 5.
coordinate of L 0, 5.
Sir, you can write directly 5 also.
No. 0, 5. It should be coordinate. Understood? Coordinate of
Minus 3 and 0.
minus 3, 0. Did you write?
Yes.
Okay. That is over. Second question. Third question.
No.
What we are discussing. My dear child, what we are discussing, listen to that one. Are you okay? So question number 3. In the adjoining figure, axis are point P. Do you know? Diya.
2. Sorry. Sorry.
Third, first one, right?
You are not listening now.
Third, first one. 2 and 5.
2 and 5.
Only 2.
Look here. If you write these all things, you have to be very careful. Okay. Now, real
5.
5. And real coordinate of E
2, 5. अरे तू क्यों बोल रहा है?
Sorry, sir.
2, 5. Next, Anand.
Yes, sir. Minus 4.
Which one?
4.
Fourth one, axis are minus 4. Anand, ordinate.
Minus 3.
Coordinate.
Coordinate minus 4 minus 3.
Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Diya, did you write? What did you write? Abscissa is equal to minus 4. Ordinate is equal to minus 3. Coordinate is equal to minus 4 minus 3. Written or not?
Yes.
Okay. Next, fifth one, Sarisha.
Minus 8, minus 3, 1.
What you are writing? Array first for P.
अरे first one. अच्छा.
This is so
For P. Abscissa.
Coordinates of P. Coordinate की abscissa.
abscissa B का abscissa क्या है?
Hello, all be quiet. I will ask. Okay.
I didn't know how to do that.
Sir,
Did you read the question? Write down the abscissa of P. You know what is abscissa of P?
No.
No. Dia, don't
Oh,
know.
the abscissa of P.
So, real.
Yes, sir.
What is the abscissa of P?
One.
1.
Yes.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, बराबर है.
Abscissa of P is 1. Ordinate of P.
Ordinate.
Hmm.
Ordinate is 3.
3. Coordinate of P.
1,3.
Did you all write? Abscissa of P is 1. Ordinate of P is 3. Coordinate is 1, 3. Sarisha, are you followed?
Coordinate of P is 2 ना?
Coordinate of P is 2.
P. Coordinate.
Ordinate is 3.
हाँ.
And coordinate is 1, 3.
Yes.
Did you write?
Yes.
Then, next, Tanish. Q. Abscissa.
3.
Wrong.
Wrong.
-3.
-3.
हाँ.
Ordinate.
Wait. Ordinate of what? Q.
Hmm.
Second.
Yes. Wait.
Anand.
So 5.
5. And Anand. Coordinate of Q.
-3, -5.
-3, 5. All of you wrote.
Yes.
Everyone wrote. We are writing or not? Then, Sarisha.
-8, -1.
Are yaar, first you tell what is read question and tell. Otherwise you will not get mark.
Or coordinates of
They did not ask coordinates. One part one is.
Abscissa.
abscissa of R. -8.
And then
Ordinate.
Ordinate.
somebody has to
is
tell you, no?
-5.
-5. Then coordinate. How she coordinate?
-5, sir.
-5.
अच्छा coordinate. -8 and -5.
-8, -5. What happened? Hello, what happened? Then what is laughing? Then yes, Diya. Abscissa.
I didn't get this.
You have you seen us? Have you seen us? Where is us? So abscissa, S is in which quadrant?
Fourth.
Fourth quadrant. So x1 is positive or negative? No problem, no? That's a problem, no?
Plus. Yeah, positive.
Somebody has to tell you, no?
Both sides positive and positive.
And y value? Positive.
No, sir.
And then tell na. Huh? Tell real.
It's negative.
Wale question abscissa tell.
Abscissa of S, right? 8.
Ordinate. Are you tell na?
Ordinate is -7.
And coordinate.
8, -7.
What is the problem for you?
-8 and -7.
-8.
No.
Which quadrant?
+8 and -7.
Huh?
8 and -7.
नहीं. -7 और 8.
No. Listen. This is the main part. All are making mistake. Question, read and give the answer. Hello. Still you are feeling hot and sitting this way.
Sir, my stomach is big.
Okay. Who is that playing there?
Real.
Priya.
I'm not doing that.
अरे प्रिया बोला, प्रिया नहीं बोला. प्रिया बोला.
Hey.
देखो भी सुनाई नहीं दे रहा.
प्रिया बोला कि दिया बोला?
Bothered about Priya.
मैंने सुना है प्रिया दिया, but दिया ने confuse कर दिया दिया बोला.
कंफ्यूज कर दिया.
Priya बोला, दिया बोला.
सिर्फ रिया बोले तो किसी को भी नाम में कंफ्यूजन ही नहीं होगा। सर अनंती ने किया अभी।
और तनिष्का इससे बोल रहा है
सारा
सारी
ये सारे भी नहीं
सारी था
शाश्वत
शाश्वत तो लड़के का नाम
हम
है।
लड़के
सर आई कैन प्लीज
कुछ भी क्वेश्चन
अरे
क्या
क्या
करने का सर बोले तो कुछ
Yeah, Sarisha, listen.
बोलो।
Have you seen for point C? Abscissa of C
-4
-4. Ordinate of C
-5
minus
हैं
ordinate of C.
see correct
If this is not there, this side is there written now. -7. Coordinate.
but sir how because it's not connected and it's lengthier than
-5
it's
सही
lengthier sir
-5 आंसर सर
then connect the C with that
-5 तो नहीं है वो तो पता है
Talking is not required. Okay.
separate
What is the listen?
हाँ -5 भी नहीं
What is the abscissa of C?
-4
-4. What is the ordinate of C?
-8
-8 from
if we
area.
add one more to
Where one more adding?
because
This
that
full
is,
length is,
it is a bit longer
Look
than
here.
7, na, sir.
which is longer?
The
Hmm.
ordinate of C is a bit longer.
Ordinate of C is which longer? This full OU is equal to 7.
Sir, but this much is the difference.
Who is that? This is given. Okay. Now problem solved.
no sir I didn't understand
Now your problem solved.
Yes, sir.
Tell what is the ordinate of C?
-7
What is the ordinate of C? Huh?
-7.
-7. What is the coordinate of C? Coordinate
-4
-4 -7. What? Who has the doubt? What is the doubt?
कितना length है ना
हाँ?
सर वो
What?
7 में और add होगा
Which 7? Array this length is 7.
Okay.
Understood or not? That is why I made it again it's 7 over here now. Not this length.
हाँ, sir.
Okay now? You can see what is written over here. That is called common sense. What is written over here? Huh? 5. So this is 5 or 7. Array this is 5 means then what will be OT? 5 only now. How will be 7 it will come then?
I thought you were asking only.
Okay, so you have to use your brain and see if it is even not written also, it's understood only. This is 5 means this is 5, that means this will be 7. Understood or not? What is your problem?
what is she saying
What is C?
she's saying I don't understand
Do you know what is C? Where is C?
He's there.
C is there. In which quadrant?
Third part.
Third quadrant. Third quadrant, what is the sign?
+5.
Hello, turn that side. I don't need to hear anything from you. Huh?
+5.
Plus minus is the third quadrant, no? First you learn that. Minus plus. Keep on saying, huh? Arey, my dear child, this is from 6th standard you are studying. This is plus plus, minus plus. This is minus minus. Third quadrant, what is it? So minus minus. So what is the abscissa? This is 4 means minus 4. This is how much? 7 minus 7.
that is 7
This what is it? OU is equal to 7. So therefore this also is 7. Understood? So therefore this coordinate is -4 comma -7. Is it clear? You will not understand only means basic concept you are confused. Plus minus even doesn't know. Okay, you. Have you seen D?
Yes.
Sure. Okay. What is its abscissa?
Five. Five.
That's the problem for you now.
Five.
Huh? Anand,
Yes, sir.
what is the abscissa?
8, sir.
8. This is the 8 x value. And what is the ordinate?
-5.
-5. What is the coordinate?
8, -5.
8, -5. Real.
Yes, sir.
B. Have you seen B?
Yes.
Okay. Now she is not listening.
Alright.
And listen, I am going to ask you again. Okay. What is the abscissa?
Abscissa. It's -5.
-5. What is the ordinate?
2.
2. What is the coordinate?
-5, comma 2.
-5, 2. Are we following?
Yes.
When you are going to practice? Now, all of you listen here. Everyone listen. Sarisha, what is the coordinate of U?
Oh. Coordinate of U. Coordinate name. Coordinate.
I said, what is the coordinate of U? Have you seen U? Have you seen? Huh? -7. What simply by coordinate contains two values are there. X and Y values are there.
You ask coordinate or ordinate?
Coordinate.
Coordinate. -7 and
And the 7.
-7 is the other one. So I don't know the other.
0, -7. It is on which axis? Y axis. Therefore, this point is which one? 0, -7. Please, all of you, especially Dia, learn this and come. And the next class, you all of you will carry your which one? Graph paper and all. Homework exercise, you have to do it as homework. Now listen here. All of you listen. Priyal, you have to complete your MCQ exercise of which one? Polynomials means assertion base and all you have to complete. Plus you have to do 5-10 questions from polynomials from the miscellaneous. Understood or not? Clear? Huh? This man is everything.
So you need a class clown can't help